Developed by Tokuyama Dental, OMNICHROMA was formulated to color match the surrounding dentition of any shade. Using smart chromatic technology, OMNICHROMA captures the surrounding shade through structural color, not added pigments or dyes, making it incredibly versatile. In its uncured state, it looks opaque white. But once cured, it somehow absorbs the surrounding tooth color. It's like magic, said Dr. Kevin Brown after initial testing on extracted teeth. It even disappears on crazy bleach-white teeth and still works beautifully on darker shades. For larger Class 3 or 4 restorations or darker dentin, OMNICHROMA Blocker provides an extra layer of control, masking background shadows and enhancing final aesthetics. With other composite systems, I had to consider opacities and translucencies and keep track of what I used so I could blend shades from one appointment to another, Dr. Uribe shared. But with OMNICHROMA, I eliminate that worry because I'm using the same material in every tooth, and I know it's going to match the previous work. It's stress-free. My first appointment matches my last appointment. I am very picky about the aesthetics of my direct restorations. I feel confident in OMNICHROMA's color-matching ability in a wide range of clinical situations. My favorite is on Class 5s, both mid-facial and along the gingival. I frequently see new patients with bucco-gingival fillings that are too light or too dark, or have a weird grayness in them. OMNICHROMA literally blends in perfectly. It is quite amazing to behold. We are practicing dentistry in a challenging time, with insurance reimbursements continually tumbling and overhead costs rising almost daily. To have the ability to stock one shade of composite for the majority of cases removes a huge burden, Dr. Juan Uribe shared. OMNICHROMA helps my practice reduce overhead costs, and my assistants love the decreased time and stress of tracking and stocking 20-plus shades of other composites. OMNICHROMA also helps reduce inventory burden, freeing up space, cutting down on ordering stress, and lowering overhead. OMNICHROMA delivers aesthetics, efficiency, and simplicity across nearly every shade and every case. One shade, endless possibilities.